to appoint elders in every town? A. Was it Timothy? B. Was it Titus? C. Si Philemon? Or D. Si Luke? Sino ang ipa-appoint niya? Sino ang ipa-iba niya sa creed para maka-appoint siya ng mga elders sa kada barangay? Sige, raise your flags. Okay, raise your flags na. Raise your cards. Sige, group 1. Wala pa? Okay, group 1, B. Group 2, B. D. Kids. C. Group 4. Group 4, ano? C. Okay, so B, B, C, C. Okay. What is the correct? Okay, group 1, 2, and 3 got the correct answer. Sige. Okay, next question. What group of people is instructed to be prudent, chaste, discreet, and good homemakers, and obedient to their husbands, so that the word of God may not be blasphemed? A. Servants. B. Older women. C. Young women. Or D. Deaconesses. Okay. Isip na tayo. Okay, ready na ba ang tanan? Sige, let's raise our flags. Let's raise our cards. Sorry, placard mo. Okay, D. Okay, D, B, C, C, D. D, D, C, C, D. D, diba? D. Okay, dog, boy, cat, cat, dog. Okay, what's the correct answer?